Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you the coolest trick on the web right now, Metricool. I'm going to show you how to use Metricool. So, without further ado, let us jump straight in. The first thing we want to go ahead and do is on the right hand side, we're going to go and click on sign up here. The URL is metricool.com. That's what we're looking for. And you can go ahead now and you can see that you can enter your email address and your password. Alternatively, you can go ahead and you can sign in with your Facebook account. Now, what I would suggest is signing in with a social media platform or a social media account initially so that you can start your journey with Metricool with one of your existing social media platforms. So there we go. What you need to do now is just confirm your email address over here. We're going to just enter in our email address that's associated with our Facebook page that we've registered with. And over here, we want to just make sure that we are continuing with Facebook. It'll pop up at the bottom over here. Right, so here you can see this is the homepage. Once you have now logged in, you can see at the moment we have an empty brand. Nothing is currently connected. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to start connecting some of our apps. So I'm going to connect one of my Facebook pages. You're going to go ahead here and you can connect your Facebook page. I'm going to connect this one over here, and it won't take long, and it says at the bottom your Facebook page is now connected. You can go ahead now and connect any other one of your accounts. You can see that there is quite a bit to actually go ahead and choose from. So some of the features, now this is a feature rich platform, so we're going to get into some of the features and I will look at the pricing at a later stage. So let's go into the analytics that it offers. So one of the nice things here is if you have multiple channels, sometimes reading the analytics on those specific channels don't really give you what you want, and also sometimes it's difficult to go into maybe 3 or 4, even 5 different platforms trying to understand analytics, right? So it's easier sometimes doing all of this in one specific space. So you can go ahead and you can go and see all your analytics from all of your channels, all of your posts, all in one place. And the nice thing about this also is that you actually have the option to export your analytics. So if you're going down over here on the left hand side, this is the analytics tab. You can see all of your analytics here. You can go down to the reports and you can actually export this report. And this is nice not only if you're doing this for yourself, but if you're actually working for a company, or if you're freelancing, if you've got clients, if you've got customers that you're doing this for, if you're managing their social media marketing or their social media pages or whatever the case may be, you can actually go ahead and print these reports or email these reports to them so they can actually see what is going on. You can now also go through these reports with them so that they understand it better and they understand that you are doing what it is that you need to be doing. One of the other things is that the interface is super easy. On the left hand side you can see that you can connect literally anything over here. One of the nice things is you can actually even connect your website, or if you are running a blog, you can go ahead and you can connect that too. We're going to now go into one of the other features that I think is absolutely fantastic is their inbox. Now, basically from their inbox, you'll have the opportunity to manage all of your inboxes from all of your accounts in one place. So let's say you are posting on Facebook, you're also posting on Instagram, you're posting on YouTube community, and you can now receive messages, comments, inboxes, whatever the case may be, all in one place. So you don't have to jump around from platform to platform wondering, did I go into Twitter? Did I reply to the comments on Instagram? You can just do it all over here. That's absolutely fantastic. And each step that you go through, you can actually just add more of your accounts right over here as you're going along. So you can see over here, I've just got Facebook connected, and that's fine for now. But if you have more than one, you can go ahead and actually just manage everything from here. It makes it a whole lot easier to actually go in and do this all at the same time in the same space. I'm going to also go now into planning, and that's also at the top of the toolbar. You can see over here under planning, this is a feature which I think really takes Metricool and puts it on another level altogether. So for me personally, Metricool has done it with this planning feature. So what you can basically do here is create a post. You can create your post, a reel, a story, whatever the case may be, and you can now share it on multiple platforms. So if you are going ahead and say perhaps you want to go ahead and schedule a post on Facebook as well as Instagram as well as Twitter, you can go and make your posts. You can add your images, videos, whatever the case may be. You can also add your locations. You can add campaign links if you want to, all from here. And then you can go ahead and tap on schedule, and you can actually schedule your posts. Now, one of the nice features is that Metricool allows you to know when is best for your posts to be made. So of course it uses your previous posts, the analytics from your previous posts, and it allows you to actually create posts and post them at a point where is most convenient and most visible for your specific audience. Now this is something, if you're big on YouTube and Instagram specifically, posting your content at the right time can make all of the difference. That's the difference between 100 people seeing your post and 1,000 or 1,000,000 people seeing your post. So Metricool really has jumped the gun here and made an absolute fantastic feature. And the fact that you can do this across all of your platforms, all of your accounts at the same time, it's absolutely mind-blowing. You can see that there is also at the top over here a smart link and multiple links in your social networks and clickable buttons. Basically, this takes your audience to strategic content from your social media. So you can create links for all your posts or your or clickable buttons which are customized with colors. You can drive your followers to your sites or content that you want without them getting lost along the way. And I think this is absolutely fantastic. They can go ahead and they can navigate through all of your content, and you can keep them circulating within your content. Of course, Metricool also allows you to run ads, so you can create an ad account, you can connect an ad account, and this is fantastic because here you can actually manage all your ads like you would maybe in Facebook Ad Manager or Meta or whatever platform you're running your ads in. So this is great. You can do this all in one place. It's absolutely fantastic. I'm going to jump now into the premium features. We're going to just go up and tap on upgrade to premium, and let's see what it costs, and let's see what we're actually getting. So our starter package is $18 a month, and they require an annual payment. You get 2,000 posts a month. You get reports, competitors analysis. That is an amazing feature. YouTube has that. If you go ahead and you use some third-party apps such as TubeBuddy or vidIQ, you get that competitors analysis. That's a great feature. Multiple smart links, and then artificial intelligence. Obviously, AI, bringing AI into the whole mix will really upgrade your experience. And then they go all the way up to $139. That's 10,000 posts a month. If you're really running 10,000 posts in one single month, $139 really is not a lot of money. If you take your $18 at your starter package for 2,000 posts plus all of this, absolutely amazing package altogether. And all in all, I think Metricool really is going to be a game changer in terms of social media and social media marketing and getting your brand out there efficiently. Ladies and gentlemen, if this was helpful, drop us a like. What is your favorite feature that I showed you right now in this video? Drop it in the comment section below. We'd love to actually hear from you. Let's start a conversation. We'll see you next time.